This last question I have for you. Now you see that there's something dangerous Seydou Zebo, in my opinion, something I've noticed Seydou Zebo is doing. Even if Mukwala is misfiring, he still plays him. Yeah. No matter what happens, he still plays Mukwala. Now, he leaves, when Kotoko are looking for a goal, Kotoko, the team, you are looking for a goal, he leaves Mukwala on the pitch, like throughout the 90 minutes. Does it mean that if Mukwala gets injured, no one in Kotoko can score goals? Because Boateng hasn't started for a very long time. We don't have any other striker that coach can try out to say this one is not playing. So does it mean that if Mukwala is not there, no one can score goals for Kotoko?
Yeah, I mean, you have already answered yourself. We don't have enough men up front. Mukwala is only Mukwala and Samuel Boateng, and Samuel Boateng has also shown that he's not at that level yet. You know, given time and opportunity, he's had a lot of time and opportunity to actually show what he can do. Last season he scored a handful of goals, a couple of them, but I mean he hasn't even scored this season. If I'm right, Mukwala is the only option that we have to rely on. If Samuel Boateng was firing, what the coach could have or could do in matches is that he can play two top, and then rather use Mukwala to play or operate from the wings. Because that guy is very quick. He can beat offside traps. And he can also square the ball off. But Samuel Boateng is also not, in form right now. So I heard the branch and communication manager talking about some reinforcements that were going to be done in this transfer window. He made mention of the right back position and the attacking position as well. So I think they will definitely bring somebody in because we don't have enough option up front.
All right, 1 minute. I think this one is just for 1 minute. I just want to ask you, our next game is against Bibiani Goldstars. They have not lost in their last 8 games, and we are playing them away from home. What do you think about that game? What do you think the outcome will be? Very quick.
It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough, Clinton, if I'm being honest. Well, I'm a Kotoko fan, so I always have hope in anything that we parade. I'm always bullish because I always think that, hey, we are coming to your home, we are coming to win. I mean, they should give us some performances there. I expect nothing less than a draw. Either we win or we draw that match.
All right.
Either we win.
All right.
I have confidence.
Thank you very much. I think we'll be doing this more often, probably once every week.